Umuulan. It's raining, it's raining.
It's raining one by one.
Yeah.
Only a starting middle place in the terminal.
May hapon ba na ako karon sa Adelaide Airport because the thing is we're waiting for a flight. Ang flight na mo unya is around 5:17. I don't know. Si Don Makibaw sa schedule sa flight. But yeah, I was here for a wedding for Nice Print. I'm shooting for Nice Print. I went here like 28th. So today's I don't know the date today. So let's say the other day I came here late in the afternoon and I shoot welcome dinner. So I was shooting for Faith and Wesley's wedding and we realized na ang iyang mama is from Vidanis Artist Management, which is kanang manager sa mga artista. So she handles actresses and everything. So yeah, in that case na siya kanang na ay mga artista sa shoot ng karon. And then the thing is naa si Megan Young and Mikel. There was Juancho and Joyce, and also who else? I think Ann Curtis and Jasmine Curtis, and then also there's Robin Padilla and Mariel. So most of them were close kay ang mama day sa bride is kanang si Mama Betchay from Vidanis Artistry. I don't know, my sister knows, pero muna siya. And yeah, we did the shoot yesterday. Started from around 10 a.m. We ended at around 11, so it was very long. Taas ka siyang wedding. Got tired, but should be fine. Yeah, problem was we didn't have much post-up because she didn't like any post-up or wala ka siya comfortable, so that's what happened. I did shoot a lot. I think I did around like 300 gigs of photos, and that's 21 megapixels. Kung 50 megapixels ko, patiks. Was a long day. I was shooting with Dawn, and it was weird. Kaya na siya lang photographer, and I thought kami gihar, but na siya yung photographer, and it was like a bit crazy pag shoot. But anyway, everything just went well. And Dawn's here. Bose. Yeah. Oh. TV.
Gusto mo lumipat sa ilalim?
So muna siya. Muna akong kuyong rin si Don. Bayot na siya. So muna siya. Then we're heading to Sydney right now. We're going to be arriving later, and we'll be shooting from 8 a.m. to like mga 5 p.m. Then lupad may balik to Melbourne. So we'll be back in Melbourne tomorrow. So I'm a bit tired and kailing of shoot kapon except sa mga artistas are there. That's how it is. Anyway, yeah, see you later. And boss, saan kayo?
Sa boss? Sa
What do you do for a living? Di ba absent ka ngayon? You're absent today. Got in here at Adelaide check-in, and yeah, they had to check my bag because I had camera gears, and it's my first time to try this out. People are like checking your bags again when you have just camera gears, and I've been to airport a lot of times, but yeah, they had to open it, and there goes Dawn also. Yeah, Sydney. Bagal lang kasama ko sa likod. Boss, okay lang? Heading to Sydney for another wedding. Let's go. Ay, ito yung room. Ganda ng bed, double. Ay.
Happy anniversary, boss.
Ay. Kadwang wedding karon. Just from Adelaide, flew back here, and then nanami sa Sydney, and we'll go home around 5 p.m. So, yeah, getting ready. It's around 8, so let's go. Oh man, thanks for the great night. Yeah, it was a rough night, yeah? Yeah, thanks. So, do I call you?
Huh?
Do I call you?
No, don't call.
Okay. Yep. Yeah.
was a nice weekend, man.
Nice.
Yeah, nice weekend.
Nice.
You did good.
Nice, friend.
So done with this weekend shoot. Been to Adelaide, been to here in Sydney, and we're heading back to Melbourne now. So it's getting windy. Let's go here. Okay.
Makita.
Ano? Tapos na ang saya. Balik sa problema. At bukas na umaga. Yep, back in Melbourne. Right on time. Didn't film a lot, so I'll just fill in with some narrations and everything.